Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to do a surface wiring in a house that has already been covered with boards. A house made of wood. Surface wiring. Piga straight. Hapo ndio straight. Manteremshe. Piga pole pole bana. Ngoja ngoja. Namjua huyo. Sawa. Hapa utakumbuka. Vinaiba damu. Wala kama unashikia. Nadhani mpira. Mengia. This white thing we are using here, it's called trunking. Or rather, they are called trunkings. This is what we use in surface wiring. This is called a deep trace with a switch. Trunking again. So we cut as we fix. And see, that's the center lamp holder of the sitting room. This is the second sitting room. This house has 2 sitting rooms now. So you can see there, that's a switch. As you go out, you can switch off and on. This is the back of the house. And then you can see you're still fixing. So we have this bedroom here, the one that I'm entering. This is one bedroom, an additional bedroom. This is one bedroom. You have your switch there. That's a deep trace. You put your switch there. Then down here you have a socket. You are put near the door because there are very few places you can fix that. The house, that bedroom is small. So we go to the next bedroom. This is another bedroom. That's the center light there. And we have our switch here and our socket down here. Yeah, a very nice surface wiring there. To avoid using so many trunkings, because when you use a lot of trunkings, they look ugly. We are using one trunking so to channel our socket wires, or rather to our circuit wire, our socket circuit and our light circuit is passing through the same trunking, to avoid using a lot of trunkings. We have finished our wiring and now we are testing. This is our sitting room. Light is on. This is the security light out here. And then, as you can see, it's a very nice wiring. So we go to this bedroom. We see if the wiring is okay. Put on. You can see it's working. Very nice wiring there. Surface wiring. Socket is there. This is the switch to the back of the house. still a central light there. Thank you for watching Getembe Electricals. Like and subscribe for the next videos. Thank you.